Hello, everybody, my wellness people out there. Just wanted to stop in and give you a little bit of encouragement. A lot of you are still feeling the effects of this condition and these conditions. Many of you are dealing with multiple conditions. You're going to the doctor's offices, you're getting diagnoses about different things and still not really feeling well. And the biggest question that I hear is nothing works. And I wanted to tell you that that was my biggest thing that I said. I always said those words, nothing works. And I wanted to tell you that things are working. The problem with this condition is, and it's very, very intricate, and I always use that word all the time because it's very particular in that the sense is that we do things and we assume it's not working. The problem is everything is delayed. Our body reacts in a delayed manner. And what I mean by that is that something you can do today, whether that be studying, working out, exercising, sleeping, you don't get those benefits immediately. For someone that goes to bed early one night won't feel like someone that goes to bed early every night because it takes time. It's an onset. And that's what I wanted to tell a lot of you out there who are trying different things. You may not be feeling the effects right away, and you probably most likely won't feel the effects right away. And then you're much more likely to say nothing works. And I said that constantly. And it took me about a couple years to finally realize that I have to stop saying nothing works. And I have to get into my mind and my mindset that things are working. It takes time. And that's what this video is really going to be about. It's more of an encouragement really out there for all of you out there, is that you're doing things that you're trying, things that I've recommended to you, things that you read online. Family members have some insight maybe and they're helping you. Doctors are helping you. You have to give things time. You can't immediately say nothing works. You're not going to get that instant gratification. Unfortunately, with this condition is that it takes an onset. It takes time for things to settle into a routine basis in terms of healing. And I want all of you out there who are feeling the effects of this condition to please try your best to get out of your head of saying nothing works, because you're already preparing your mind, body, and soul to own that and say, okay, nothing's going to work, so your body doesn't work for you. The thing about this condition is the reason why I stress that stress is very important is because stress is the multitude factor of why this is still hanging around. And a lot of you are saying, well, stress is a part of life. That's true. But you weren't always dealing with stress prior to this condition. And that's why I wanted to tell a lot of you out there that are dealing with stress and you're not able to turn that switch off, and you're just feeling overwhelmed by this whole thing. This is a new situation for some of you. Some of this has been a long journey and you're still going through the same problems. So I want you all to know your mind, your body, and your soul, they work in rhythm. And by saying that nothing works, you're preparing your body, your mind, and your soul to not work, to not execute, to produce the healing that you're looking for. You can go on this great diet. You can sleep 9 hours tomorrow. You can try all the red light therapy. You can do the neck stretches. You can do all these things. And then by the next day, if you don't feel even an ounce better, not even a little bit better, you have to do your best to say, that's a part of the process. And this is the way it's supposed to be. I'm supposed to not feel anything right away. I'm supposed to go through the emotions, go through the new me, the strategies, the diet, the plans, everything that you're doing to get better. Know that the process is for you to go through it and to get by it and to build tolerance to keep going in the consistency. So that is the main thing I wanted to come out here and say. I wanted to do this on my way home, tell you guys that this is the process. Whatever you try today, do not expect it to work tomorrow. Don't expect it to work next week sometimes. You have to continuously do it. And I guarantee you, and I say that word a lot, over time, you'll start to feel the effects. The fruits of your labor of working at this is going to reward you. Your body is going to reward you. It's not going to let you down. It's going to help you in time. So I hope this video was a little encouraging for you, and I wanted to try to keep it a little short for you as well. Again, if you found this video very helpful, like the channel, subscribe, share it with friends, family, and anyone that's going through this as well. And I hope to bring more content to you all as well. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Talk to you soon.